Vadim Kobzev and Alexei Liptser have been sentenced for more than 5 years of imprisonment each by Putin's court for the only crime for representing my husband, Alexei Navalny, as his lawyers. They are torn away from their families and imprisoned for staying committed to the highest standards of their noble profession. Remaining in Russia, they fiercely fought for my husband's rights using the limited means afforded to them by Russian justice system. They not only appealed countless violations of Alexei's rights, but also brought them to public attention. Thanks to their work, the entire world knew the conditions in which Putin had placed his main political opponent. With talent and passion, their lawyers defended him against the endless series of new criminal charges, clearly demonstrating the absurdity and political nature. By visiting Alexei in the penal colony, they made his complete isolation impossible. But above all, they did what professional lawyers are supposed to do. They defended their clients' rights through legal methods. Now, we know that Putin made the decision to kill my husband. To do so, he needed to isolate Alexei and deprive him of his trusted professional defenders. Therefore, 4 months before Alexei's murder, his lawyers were arrested. They were accused of becoming part of an extremist community while defending their client. All the charges were based on unlawful actions by the authorities, who demonstratively deprived Alexei of the right to attorney-client privilege. Without exception, all conversations between my husband and his lawyers were recorded by multiple cameras. On one occasion, one such camera literally fell onto Alexei from the ceiling where it had been installed. All documents exchanged between him and the lawyers were photographed. The system that had been inhuman towards Alexei became the same toward Vadim Kobzev and Alexei Liptser. They themselves ended up in the conditions of Russian pretrial detention centers, which the European Court of Human Rights has repeatedly described as degrading to human dignity. They were denied medical care, held in solitary confinement, and when Alexei Liptser's mother passed away, he was not allowed to attend her funeral to say goodbye. The criminal prosecution of my husband Alexei Navalny's lawyers is not only a step in preparing the murder of Russia's main opposition politician. It's not only a fight against dedicated, honest, and professional lawyers loyal to their client. It's a blow to the last right of victims of political repression and to the last institutions that protected them.